Videotaping?
Yeah.
Hey, find a fucking Bronco.
He's like,
get the board up! Board up! Get the board up!
Yeah!
crash!
Yeah!
We should all, when we go by, we should laugh our heads off.
Look at him! He's like, yeah!
Hey!
Yeah, Jack. That was a practice run.
That was a practice run.
Practice.
I'm glad I'm videotaping Jack, because this is going to be the funniest one.
It went better than expected.
That was just batting practice, Jack. That's the 60-mile-an-hour balls. That was nothing. Ken's going to take it up to 90 now.
He's just laughing.
I'm gonna die.
Poor guy. Oh my gosh.
Hey, how long can I videotape on this, Daddy?
Well, you should pause it in between.